A powerful voice that needs to be silenced.
Welcome to the NTPE Privacy News Podcast with your host and editor, Jeffrey Garner. Widely debated, dispensationally correct, and slanted and the King James Holy Bible. This program is brought to you by nowtheendbegins.com.
And good afternoon, happy Friday everybody, and welcome to this edition of the Prophecy News Podcast. This may be the program that finally removes us from social media. Freedom of Information Act documents prove that the FDA covered up over 1,200 deaths from the Pfizer vaccine in the first 90 days alone. This
Please leave your message for 6-0.
¿Ya? A ver, otra vez. Ay, Ness.
Oh my god, look at this guy.
¿Qué pasó?
Look at him.
Oh my god, he just...
I know.
What's going on?
What happened? You need to
He's
go back.
He's crazy. Oh
Yeah.
shit.
Oh my god.
He's like drunk.
No. Go back, David.
No, go. There's some drugs.
David.
Did you record that?
Yeah, I got it. On camera. Oh my gosh. Whatever. E o Luís, não ouviste nada dele? E caralho, pá! Que coisa!
Que foi?
Big accident right here, right in front of me. Because this guy wants to act like a jerk.
Oh, valha Deus. Tem cuidado, filho.
Probably not going to respond. Can you send heart emoji eyes? Or is that cheating? Or is that flirting? We'll talk about that next here on the Bobby Bones Show. I'll read you the email. I'll tell you the story. All right, hold on.
Oh my God. Bobby Bones. To boot her out of power, she was not going anywhere. Is anyone surprised that I am being targeted? Is anyone surprised that I am somehow deemed unworthy to speak about American foreign policy? Or that they see me as a powerful voice that needs to be silenced? My leadership and voice will not be diminished. If I am not on this committee,
I got a webcam, dumbass! Good job!
voice will get louder and stronger, and my leadership will be celebrated around the world as it has been.
I'm calling the cops!
Take your votes or not, I am here to stay, and I am here to be a voice against harms around the world and advocate for a better world. I yield back.
Bro.
You piece of shit!
Why is he flipping you off? He's the one that cut you off. Bro, like for real?
Yeah, you're on dashcam, bitch!
Go ahead. See if I care. Straight away my wife steps in. Are you fucking mental?
Whoa!
Darling, what we have right here is a learning opportunity.
You fucking dickhead.
Serious infection in those who have underlying lung conditions or external medical